Hi, this is Michael with FloraPulse. I'm gonna walk you real quick how to get the data logger started. You're gonna get something like this in the mail. It might have something covering and protecting the solar panel. You wanna bring it outside to the field where you're gonna use it. And then you're gonna open up the screws. Right now we've removed them for now. Open it up and it's gonna look something like this. A couple things, right now the battery is being blocked. So we're gonna remove this carefully and then also turn it on. And it's just gonna take a little while to kind of get things going, but things to look at. The digital power light means that there's power to the microcontroller. Then there's gonna be the MCU light, which means there's power to the microcontroller unit, that it is actually on. And then this tells you the cell phone, whether it is connecting or not. Initially, it will connect a few times to try to get the clock. So we just kind of have to wait for that. Right now, when it blinks kind of quickly, it means that it is connected to the internet and it is trying to get the time. So it's gonna do that for a bit. It might take a while to try to get signal. Okay, so there it looks like when the modem gets the time, it kind of resets. So right now it's trying to connect to the internet again so that you have the slow kind of light. And then now I connected to the internet, so it's blinking faster. And again, this could take 5, even 10 minutes if the signal is really bad. So you might just need to wait for this. But all right, and then another thing we'll just wait for it to finish. Right now it looks like everything probably went well because the light turned off. But another thing is when the solar panel is being exposed to sunlight, one or both of these lights will turn on, charging and power good. So just something to keep in mind. The cell phone modem might have to connect a few times because it has these methods of finding the time and make sure that it is correct. But right now we're just gonna wait until that basically turns off. And it might take a while. So we just wait. Let's see. Okay, looks like it's done doing its thing. Now we can press the debug button. So this button will run a self-test that will check each of these lights. And I'm just gonna go through the lights real quick. So BAT-V is battery voltage. So that means that the battery voltage is good. Signal will check for cell phone signal. SD is that the SD card stores the data as good. RTC means that the clock is on time. Debug means that you're actually running the debug. And then the other ones don't really matter. This is the pressure switch, if it's closed or not, and whether it's connected to USB. So you don't have to worry about these ones. So we're gonna press it, and it's gonna start running it. So you can see right away it checked the battery voltage. That looks good. The SD card also looks good. The RTC is good, and it's debugging. It's gonna turn on the cell phone modem to try to check for signal and try to upload. So it turns it on and it starts blinking. Again, so this means it's connected to the internet. It's trying to search for signal and also it's gonna try to upload. So we just wait a bit. And so the signal light is on, means that the signal is good. And also if the debug light is on, it also means that at this point that it uploaded correctly. So if all this is on, you're good to go. You should have no problems.